Hi, in this tutorial we're going to be going over jobs and how you can set those up within your schedule. To begin, click on Schedule on the left sidebar menu, access your schedule, and click on Jobs at the top right. A job can be a customer name, an employee role, a location, or anything else that will help you to differentiate and categorize your shifts. To add a job, click on Add Job at the top right, or use the Import button and our ready-made Excel template. Now let's look at the information we can put into our jobs by clicking on Edit. You can add a title, you can decide what users are qualified for your job, you can add a location, and a description or specific files that are relevant for that specific job. All of this information will be shown for your employees on the mobile application. Another added benefit of setting up your jobs is that you can use the View by Jobs view to make sure that your jobs are covered. You can also utilize the advanced filtering capabilities to look up a specific job. As a user, within the mobile application, as soon as I click on my shift and a shift has been published to me, all of the relevant information will be available to me. Thanks for watching.